Take the Arduino, 4 half-inch screws, and 4 large acrylic spacers. With the power distribution board detached, insert the screws through the Arduino, put spacers on the back, and mount. Reattach the power distribution board. Feed the X-axis servo wire through the panel wire hole and attach to the headers labeled X-axis with the yellow wire on the left. Attach a male-to-male wire to the X encoder, aligning the yellow and white wires, and feed through the side 2 wire hole. Attach a female-to-female wire and feed through the side 1 wire hole number 1. Feed through the panel wire hole and attach to X encoder with the white wire on the left. Feed the Y-axis servo wire through the front base wire hole. Attach a female-to-female wire and feed through base wire holes and side 1 wire hole number 2. Feed through the panel wire hole and attach to Y motor. Attach a male-to-male wire to the Y encoder, the white wire on the left, and feed through the back base wire hole. Attach a female-to-female wire and feed through the base wire hole and side 1 wire hole number 2. Feed through the panel wire hole and attach to the Y encoder. Attach a male-to-male wire to the Z encoder, the white wire on the right. Attach a female-to-female wire. Feed through side 1 wire hole number 1. Feed through the panel wire hole and attach to Z encoder. Feed the Z-axis servo wire through the Z-axis wire hole. Attach a female-to-female wire. Feed through the side 1 wire hole number 1. Feed through the panel wire hole and attach to Z motor.